Bangalore Air Terminal on guard in the midst of MPOX flare-up. MPOX in India, pandemic-like circumstance at Bangalore Worldwide Air Terminal as specialists carry out severe MPOX regulation standards, 21 days quarantine and obligatory test reports for every single global traveler. MPOX News India, indications of another pandemic? As of now, the nation has taken a few severe choices to contain MPOX episode spread in the country. In the most recent of all, Bangalore Air Terminal specialists have expressed that worldwide travelers, particularly those showing up from African nations, will go through evaluating for the monkeypox infection and assuming found positive would need to go through 21-day obligatory quarantine and disengagement. The guidelines are like those carried out during the coronavirus pandemic. Kempegowda Worldwide Air Terminal in Bangalore is completely ready and consistent with all well-being and security conventions gave by important experts considering the worldwide MPOX circumstance, a representative for the Bangalore Global Air Terminal Restricted, BIAL, told the media. On 14th August, the World Wellbeing Association, WHO, declared monkeypox to be a general well-being crisis. MPOX pandemic, 21-day quarantine and required test reports. The 21-day quarantine necessity is imperative for controlling the MPOX spread and safeguarding general well-being, says specialists. A similar choice was taken when coronavirus entered the nation back in 2020. Such measures have really checked the transmission of irresistible infections, permitting well-being authorities to actually screen and oversee cases more. However, these upgraded security conventions might prompt a few burdens for explorers. The well-being and security of the local area are the highest level of need. By implementing strong testing and quarantine rules, Bangalore Air Terminal intends to diminish the gamble of MPOX spreading and to deflect a bigger flare-up, said authorities. What is MPOX infection? How can it communicate? MPOX, previously known as monkeypox, is a somewhat new infection that falls under the classification of RNA infections. It was first identified in a little town in Southeast Asia, where a few groups showed side effects like fever, hack, and respiratory issues. Further examination showed that this infection began from creatures and was reasonably sent to people who were in close contact with them. One of the principal worries about the MPOX infection is the means by which it spreads. Similar as other respiratory diseases, it communicates through respiratory beads when somebody who is contaminated hacks, wheezes, or talks. The infection can likewise live on surfaces for a brief time frame, making it conceivable to get it from polluted objects. Well-being specialists are focusing on the significance of good hand cleanliness and wearing veils to assist with forestalling the infection's spread.